Procrastination. Why do kids say, "I'll do it later"? Ask your kids to tidy up their toys and games they've finished with, and you are likely to hear, "I'll do it later." But it's not just kids. We are all guilty at times of putting off the jobs we just don't want to face or are not looking forward to. So, how can we make sense of this universal human tendency and support our kids to find ways to avoid procrastination? First of all, it's important to note that procrastination is not the same as laziness. Procrastination is an active process. You choose to do something else instead of the task that you know you should be doing. An important piece of research by Steele P., published in 2007, identified 4 main factors that increase tendency towards procrastination. Let's take a look at these. Self-efficacy. All this means is that our kids may feel less confident in their ability to complete some tasks or not complete those well. We can support them by structuring tasks so they are challenging but not too difficult. More importantly, praise their efforts, even when they struggle or fail. In this way, we grow their sense of self-efficacy and belief in their capabilities. Low value. When we need to do something we think is boring, too easy, or doesn't really matter, then we are more likely to procrastinate. We can support our kids to procrastinate less by making sure they understand the why behind the what and the how that we ask them to do. Distractions. When we have lots of distractions, we're more likely to procrastinate. It's the same for kids. We can procrastinate less by turning off notifications on tech, finding a quiet space, and telling others that we need space to work without disturbance. It's great to model that for our kids so they learn to do the same. Delay. If we sense we have a long time to complete a task, we are more likely to procrastinate. We can procrastinate less by setting ourselves goals and deadlines, rather than relying on other people's deadlines. Support your kids to learn how to set their own deadlines and goals by breaking down challenges into discrete actions and asking your child to state when they will be able to achieve this by. To summarize, and a few quick takeaways. 1. We all procrastinate, and it's important to differentiate that procrastination is not the same as laziness. Procrastination is simply a process where kids choose to do something else instead of the task that they should be doing. 2. Some factors, such as distractions, or if kids feel something is not important to them, increase the likelihood of procrastination. Support kids to procrastinate less by minimizing distractions and building their sense of self-efficacy, explaining the why, and setting goals. 3. Break down challenges into discrete actions and ask your child to state by when they will be able to achieve those by. If kids define their own deadlines, they are more likely to get things done. For additional content and quick tips on routine parenting stuff, subscribe to our YouTube channel Think Junior or visit our website. Hope you enjoyed watching.